Hi there. Today, I'm going to show you how to find DMU-Held articles in Google Scholar. Please note, Google Scholar searches articles only, not books, videos, or other media. Beginning your search via the online library catalog or via specific databases allows users to discover all available library resources. Click the Hamburger menu to the left. Next, you'll come down to Settings. Underneath Settings, you'll click Library Links. You'll type in Divine Mercy University, and then come over to the blue magnifying glass symbol and click it. This will find Divine Mercy University, as well as our Open World Cat Library search. Click Save. Now, run a search. When you do, you should see Divine Mercy University to the right of many results. For purposes of this video, we will use cognitive behavioral therapy. As you can see to the right, we have the link Find at Divine Mercy University. Click it. This will bring you to the DMU Library page listing. In order to access and read the full text, you will come over to where it says View Full Text. Sign in with your library barcode. And then you will have accessed the full text of your article. You're welcome to read it, or if you would like to download your article, come over to the top right-hand side and click the download symbol. You will want to make sure the full text and PDF are selected, not metadata only. Click download, and you will be brought to somewhere you would like to download it. Congratulations, you've downloaded the full text. Hope this video was helpful. For any questions, please contact the library. Thanks.